happyeaster and let's get ready for a family dinner. No, not Coachella. I'm thinking about making a high ponytail and making curls and then creating that one big curl, you know. So to get that sleek look, I'm using this conditioner, leave-in conditioner, because I think if you're using gel, it's always good to keep your hair soft, you know, that it not break or something. So I think that's the best combo. So it's the best to do a TikTok now because I'm running out of time. I have no time as always. I added the jail. Short update. Hey guys, what's up? This is so stressful. I don't know why, but my hair like it to not get so even on my hair. Oh, look at her face. She's like shining on her forehead. It's my sunscreen, okay? Don't forget sunscreen, people. Party people. It's so important. 5 hours later. As we added the cream conditioner, we now have to sleek down our edges a bit more. So for this, I'm using this baby here. And for my Germans, my secret hack, because you never find a good brush to sleek down your edges, use, there, from DM, seine Nagelbürste. Aber es ist so perfekt, um die Haare damit glatt zu machen. Did you see that? What? Yes. Thank me later. Hey guys, I'm so running out of time now. I have to hurry so bad. So what I do now, I'm just clipping this up with a pin. I'm so sorry, but see you in part 2.